Let's go, guys. This is February 10, 2010. This is technically a blizzard. I've been using the term loosely the last storm, but this is it. And we already have about 21, 22 inches on the ground and 15 forecast today. Wind gusts to 40, 45 miles an hour. The temperature is 25 degrees. And I'm almost expecting power failure today. So I have to get the firewood ready. I should have done that yesterday. Sally, I'm taking your advice. We're going to keep these guys out here as briefly as possible. I know they don't have coats on. George, you done? Okay. I think Lexi's got to do something. So does Lisa. They had their breakfast. Okay, good. That's looking towards Piment Run. That's a creek and woods. Good girls. Good girls. George is finishing up. Well, not quite. Okay, George, you done? Good boy. Let's get in. Let's go.